Hi, today I'm reviewing OPPO Reno 10 Pro and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So we should first open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. So after that, just tap the open button, click to enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard, click on the switcher, tap to activate and then go back. Click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard.
Best electric.
Now we should just skip the videos. Now the process is finished, so let's just check our new keyboard look, and we could see that this keyboard is so close just to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.